The plate panel tool is a new tool to help me deal with large designs. So let's look at an example. I'm going to create a design that is 192 by 96, which corresponds to 4 standard size sheets. Now let's create a design. Okay, there's my big design that I've got to cut out of these 4 sheets, and now I'm going to put tool paths on it, and I'm going to put them to the inside. So let's say this is a negative design, maybe it's a big stencil, or I'm going to have something behind it. And so in the past this would have been a real challenge because I would have had to break this up into 4 pieces, and so I would have had to do a fair amount of cutting and aligning and match lining and all that sort of thing. Now with the plate panel tool I can come in here, and it's really as simple as identifying the panels that I want, and I can press the F2 key and be as precise as I need to be. So let's say I'm going to be real precise here, and I'm going to make those all 48 by 96, and when I press return I identify which is the active panel. If I want to change that, I can come in here and just click on a different panel. So let's say we're going to go with this upper left panel as my active panel, so I'll press return, and you can see when it's grayed like that, that tells me it's the active panel. So really at this point it's as simple as coming in and getting ready to do my output, and I click OK, and I'm going to call this big 2. So now I've created my output file. Let's open up Backplot. We'll bring it over here and we can look at it. So if I open that job, you can see that it created the output just like I imagined it would. So that's that panel, and it's ready to go. So when I go out to my machine, it's just a matter of being careful with setting the home position correctly and making sure my panel is nice and square on the table, and I'm ready to cut that piece out. When I'm ready to do the next design or the next portion of the design, I just come in, highlight that, hit return, create the output file. So I can just create 4 output files, and I'm ready to get my full design all registered automatically with the pieces next to it. So that's the plate panel tool, a very handy way to help you handle large designs.